Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and hidden within Windows 11 Insider Builds is different options, and we have Phantom of Hurt of X that often unveils some of the features and some of the things hidden that are to be possibly in Windows 11 at some point in the future. One of them, which is very interesting, is one of the layouts, because there are several of the start menu. And that layout on some of the layouts is something like this. A category layout that you can have that would be happening at some point in the future versions of Windows 11. Available within some of the insider builds. And it lets you, of course, go and in the all apps section, rather than having a boring list like we have right now, which all apps will simply do this. You have the option to have a view which would be like this instead. And you could do categories and put different apps in those categories, and it would have a grid square like you see here. And these apps would have each their icon visible in the grid squares. That is, I think, better than the list for me. Some people like the lists, and that's okay. But I think this is kind of a nice way to rearrange things that could be interesting in the all apps category. There's also a layout with the phone link app on the right side here. So when you start, you use your start menu. Not only does it pop up the start menu, it pops up the phone link on the right side of it, where you can do all sorts of things, including drag and drop files and have easy, quick access to what your phone is doing. So that is, I think, for someone like me, for example, I use phone link a lot. I like that feature. I like the fact that it's linked to my phone. And of course, I'm lucky to have a Galaxy S22 Ultra, which actually has all the features enabled, everything that you can do in the phone link app, which is even cooler. So these are some of the layouts coming in a future version of Windows 11 later this year. If not, maybe in 25H2, because 25H2 will surely have several features included in there. So this is going to be something interesting to look at in future updates for Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.